Hey guys, so I saw this AI agent, and this has to be one of the most powerful AI agent I have came across so far, and it is very simple. Just took me like not more than 5 minutes to build this, and this AI agent is best for research purpose. And if you have a business that requires research for, let's say, your competitors or upcoming trends, or upcoming or some updates in your industry, in your niche, this AI agent is perfect for that. And just it is very powerful. Just stick with me and I will explain to you. So the overall system is super simple. You just open your chat model, you open your chat trigger and type whatever you want. For example, let me explain to you what's going on over here. Then I will show you an example. So we start with the chat trigger and connect it to your AI agent. And over here, I just told this system message that you are a deep research assistant. And I've connected the chat model, open AI chat model. This is your brain. So just go over here and put in your credential and put in your model. For me, I'm using just a cheaper one, but the higher you go, the more better efficient result you get. And then we have the memory, of course, to restore to store all the data and to have a improved ecosystem of the AI agent. And then we have the perplexity model. This is our body, this is our tool, this is an instrument. So we have a brain and our body. So perplexity is basically, if you're not aware, perplexity was developed by an Indian developer, and this is a perfect model for research purposes. And if you combine this research purpose model to an OpenAI, the sky is the limit. So you connect your perplexity, just go over here and put in your credential. Super simple. It requires, I think, $3. You need to have minimum $3. Super affordable. Set automatically message a model, and over here I have chosen deep research. You can also choose Sonar Reasoning Pro, but that's your choice. And over here, I just chose this. I just click over here, and I choose user as a role. I've used user, even though over here I've wrote that you're an assistant, but do not choose assistant. For some reason it was not working, so go for the user. Anyway, so that's your powerful research AI model, AI agent, sorry. And let me show you, let me give you an example. So let's say I want to know what might be the next move of Elon Musk in Tesla. Let's go for this question and see, and the results are amazing. You're gonna have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes. Hold on, some issue. So I just checked my perplexity credit. I was out of credit in my perplexity. So let's restart this again and let's ask the same question. It's going to take a while because it does thorough research, and you will get a very deep answer. You will get a very powerful insight, powerful feedback, and this model is just amazing, and this combination is just perfect. So here we are. It's about, there we go, and this was the result. And let's say, so it says Elon Musk's next big move at Tesla is a strategic transformation of a company from primary and electric vehicle manufactured into artificial. Wow, I was not expecting that. I mean, yes, he was talking about artificial intelligence for a while, and there we go. And full self driving. Of course, we have robotic taxis. Okay, cyber cab production. AI 5, I think. Optimus humanoid robot. Okay, I was not expecting that. So this is the type of stuff, if you google, you will not find it over there. Let's try something a little bit more complex. And mm, let's say we want to learn how Facebook advertise themselves. One of the biggest company, and Facebook is a ad running platform. But let's see how they advertise. Okay, do they use uh, their own platform? Let's see. So there we go, and this was the result. And it says Facebook advertises itself through a multifaceted strategy aimed at addressing both end users and advertisers. This self promotion serves several strategies purposes: dual order approach, demonstrating advertising capabilities, maintaining competitive. Okay, this is a very powerful feedback. It doesn't says that they use their own platform. I think I should have been more clear, more articulate about it. But this is something very powerful, and I will definitely put it on to my business as well. And this is something very good AI model, AI agent that you can use for anything basically. You combine your perplexity, a research model, to an open AI. And I don't think this is something people are more aware about it. I just saw a video on the YouTube, and I thought I should make a video on it, and there you go. So that's it. And I actually make AI agent, and if you want me to make an AI agent for your business, save money, or help you get more revenue, save your time, just let me know. I have worked with tons and tons of clients with their testimonials. And take care.